Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to show you how to make chicken chow mein. We need boneless chicken, black pepper, white pepper, garlic powder, soya sauce, salt, and plain flour. I'm using red pepper as well, but if you don't like, then don't need to add it. Now, all dry ingredients mixed with chicken. I'm using dark soya sauce. You need to add 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Mix them very well and set aside for a marinade 10 to 20 minutes. I'm using spaghetti. Prepare the spaghetti according to the packet instructions. I'm using carrot, capsicum, cabbage. Finely cut your vegetables and set aside, and then need to deep fry your chicken. Heat oil in a big pan and add finely chopped garlic for stir fry for 10 seconds. I'm also using white vinegar, dark soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Salt, black pepper, little bit garlic powder, little bit ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I'm using red pepper but it's optional. Now we need to add carrot and stir fry 30 seconds and then add cabbage and capsicum. Now I need to add my dry spices, and then we need to add chicken stock, half cup of chicken stock. Now I add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Now I am use white vinegar 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. Mix very well, and then we need to add chicken. Mix them very well. Now we need to add spaghetti and mix again, and at the last we need to add just few drops of sesame oil, and that's done. It's ready. Thank you for watching, and if you like, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thanks. Bye.